guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October. Can't believe that it's already October. That means Halloween parties, and then after Halloween it's literally Thanksgiving, and then after Thanksgiving break it's Christmas break. And then I'm halfway done with my school year this year, and that's just crazy to think, like, it's so fast. I don't know. Y'all know I'm a teacher, and I just feel like the school year goes by so quick, and then it's summer, and then summer goes by quick. When you open up the box, we have another foldable. I guess they're doing the foldable now instead of the card like they used to do, which is fine, whatever. This month's theme is alter ego, which I'm really into that theme. I think it's a really neat twist on Halloween. Like, your alter ego is what you are for Halloween. But anyway, you fold this open and it just tells you what all is inside. The first thing that I got in the box this month is the lace peel mask. And I will try to find a picture and insert it right here. But it's like a peel off mask that you put on your face, and then you put this lace mask on top. And then when you're ready to take it off, you peel off the lace mask, and it's supposed to peel off the peel off mask in like one piece. There are 2 uses in this pack. So there are 2 of the lace masks and then a tube of the product that you're supposed to use twice. So I'm excited to try this. I like peel off masks. I feel like they get all the gunk out of your skin, but they do hurt. So we will see. I don't know. I'm interested to try. I guess I'll let y'all know what I think. The 2 masks are $30. And then the next product that I got in my box is the It Superhero Mascara. And this is a newfound product for me. I actually got a miniature one as my Ulta birthday gift. As much money as I spend there, they should be giving me more than a sample size mascara for my birthday. That's all I have to say. But the wand on this, it's like really small. I don't know if you can see that. It's very small. The formula's good. It's not my favorite mascara, but it's not a bad one. And it's a high-end mascara, so to get a full size is not a bad thing. I'll use it, but I don't know that it'll make me go out and purchase it again. That retails for $24. And then the next item that I got is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It looks a lot like the outer packaging, and then you pop it open, and this is the inside. You get a little mirror, which isn't doing much for you. I literally guess you could see your eyes. You get 4 products over here, like 2 highlighters and then 2 blushes. I do love the shade of this blush, I do have to say that. And then you get 6 shadows over here. They're all shimmer except for this dark brown right here. I'm not super obsessed with this palette. I really wish that they would have taken this mirror out and put in more matte shades. I don't know, I'll have to try it. It's overall a shimmer palette. All of the face products have a glow to them, a shimmer. And then all of the shadows except for one are shimmer. So it's not something that you can get a complete look out of, in my opinion. I don't mind the pure palettes that we've gotten in the past. They're just not my favorites that I've gotten. So yeah, that is the palette we got. This retails for $38. And then the next product that I got in my box is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Conditioning Treatment. And it's like a detangler. Like, it's a 10, basically, is what I compare it to. But it's a 10. You spray it in your hair when it's damp, brush it through, and it's supposed to help your hair. I really do love this product. I actually have a full size right here that I got in another subscription box. I think it was FabFitFun a couple of seasons ago, and I love it. I fell in love with it, and I actually rebought it. So this is my second bottle of it. I really do like it. But with Boxycharm, you're supposed to get full-size products, and this is the size that they sent me, and this is 2 ounces of product. And then here's the full size that I have bought at Sephora, and this is the size that came in my FabFitFun, and this is a 5 ounce. So this is not the same. Clearly, it's the same product, but it's not the same size. And so I just don't understand why Boxycharm is sending me, when I'm supposed to get full-size products, why they send me something that is not full-size. They claim that this is, and it's worth $16. I did spend something more, like 20 something on this. But still, you can't tell me that's full size when it's not. This is a travel size product. It's a full size of a travel size, but it is not a full size product. And there's my opinion on that. It is a really good product and I do like it, and so I don't mind having this size bottle because it's perfect to take with me when I do travel. Alright, and then the last product that I got this month in my box was a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. And I do love this formula of liquid lipsticks. If you don't like Kat Von D, you do you. I don't particularly care for her opinion on vaccinations, but that is neither here nor there when it comes to her cosmetics. I got this in the box. This is the shade Bow and Arrow, and it's what I have on my lips right now. I really like this shade. It's a shade that I've looked at before and I just ended up not getting. I have several of her other shades, but it's a good shade, and I'm glad I got this one instead of something else because I'll actually wear this. I swatched it along with some other liquid lipsticks to see if I could find a dupe, and I didn't. I've seen somewhere that this is a dupe for the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin, which is this one right here. And you can tell side by side they kind of look like they would be almost, at least in person they do, but when they're swatched they are not. Okay, the value of my box this month is $128. That's over the $100 mark that they say that Boxycharm is worth. You pay $21 a month. It is still my favorite subscription box. Obviously, it's the one that I keep. I liked the theme of this month. So yeah, that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. And I guess I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.